If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not connecting properly to your iPhone 17, then here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issue. So first of all, what we can do is go to settings. Over here, we're gonna go to Bluetooth. Let me actually turn off my earbuds over here. And we can simply disable Bluetooth and turn it back on after a couple of seconds. After that, you want to turn on your Bluetooth device. And if it's not paired, then of course you want to put it into the pairing mode if possible, and then try to find it over here on the list of available devices near you. And in case you did have your Bluetooth device already paired, then well, you can check if it connects after that without even putting the device into the pairing mode. Now, besides that, what you can do if it didn't help is you can go to your Bluetooth device and you can completely forget the device. And we're gonna turn off our device. We're gonna turn off Bluetooth once again. We're gonna turn it back on, turn on Bluetooth again, and once again, let's try to pair it. So let's put it into the pairing mode. Also, remember that if you do not have the option to put your Bluetooth device into the pairing mode, then make sure that it is not connected to anything else, to any other device. If it is, then this might be the reason why you cannot properly connect. Besides that, if this didn't help, what you can do is you can go back into the main menu of settings, and let's actually turn off our earbuds. And we're gonna go to General, and then in here scroll down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. You want to choose Reset, and you want to reset network settings. Unfortunately, this will reset not only Bluetooth settings, but also Wi-Fi settings and cellular settings or mobile data settings. So you will have to, reconnect to your Wi-Fi again and so on and so forth. And this will erase every data about Wi-Fi connections and Bluetooth connections as well. So after resetting those settings, you want to go back to Bluetooth settings. You want to, of course, turn on your Bluetooth device, put it once again into the pairing mode if possible, and try to connect after that. And if this didn't help as well, another thing that you can do is perform a factory reset or hard reset of your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device because every Bluetooth device has its own way of hard resetting. So you need to check the manual or try to find another video about that. But essentially, once you do the factory reset of your Bluetooth device, then hopefully this time you will be able to pair your Bluetooth device with your iPhone 17. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.